Good food that looks amazing is serious business here. And what better way to impress a client or kick back with your colleagues than checking out the stunning range of dining available for the business traveler at Hartsfield-Jackson. For me, it's never as important of where I'm going as it is where am I going to eat. Maybe you're looking for hearty comfort food before a long flight. Or something a bit lighter to stick to your program. Maybe you need a little treat after a long day. Go ahead, you've earned it. The city's most highly rated restaurants and one of the most talked about in the world of travel happen to be at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport.
You're going from one city to another, you're on a time crunch at all times. Comfort is food and beverage, so we kind of provide that instantly. People make a point while they're traveling from one city to the other to like stop.
Business travelers. Business travelers want something that's good to eat, something quick. Usually they're in a bit of a hurry. They want some time to charge their phone or their laptop.
Business travel never tasted so good.
It's really easy to sit down in a nice restaurant and be able to talk about business. I find the airport food's actually gotten to the level where I'm comfortable doing that and where we can actually have a good experience.
So let's hit up some exciting culinary hotspots that'll guarantee that you close the deal.